Hi guys, this is Marjan and welcome to Pasta Piece. The reason why I'm making this video is to show you guys how easy it is to make those expensive and unique looking house decorations out of the things that you're throwing away every single day. So why going to West Elm or Bath & Beyond and spending thousands of dollars on those house decorations when you can make it at home for only less than $10? And a little bit about myself before we get to our projects. I'm a business graduate who loves arts and crafts, cooking, with a little bit of Persian twist and a little bit of Persian accent. And now, let's get started.
For this project, I'm using 4 crochet threads in 4 different colors. I'm also using 5 to 6 rings, where I purchased them from Michael's for $2.99 each. Next, I tie the thread to the ring, on the top, in the center. And I repeat it more than one time, just to make sure it won't come off. Next, I wrap the thread around the ring. From left to right, right to left, top to bottom, it doesn't really matter, as long as you wrap it around. You can try it in different colors. I picked gray, white, and cream, but honestly, it's all up to you. Now I connect the 2 circles together, and I sew them, and I use the same thread with the same color and the same material. And here is the final look. You can hang it in your living room, bedroom, office, or even give it as a gift. All depends on your taste. Hi again. For this project, I will be using yarns that I've already had at the house. Now I cut the yarn, about 20 of them, 1 feet apart. And I cut some extra in addition to the 20 pieces. Now I'll be combing the rest out using the pitting brush, which I ordered from Amazon. Now it's nicely combed out. Now we can mix it with the other 20 pieces. To fold all the pieces, I'm using a white, thick yarn. So I cut about 2 feet of the yarn, since I'll be hanging the tassel using this piece. Now I tie a knot in the center. Now I make another knot, connecting both folds together. Here I'm cutting the ends to make everything nice and even. I'm using bucket wood beads, which I bought 12 for only $1.20 at Michael's. At first I had a hard time adding the wood beads to the yarn due to the thickness of the yarn, but I came up with a solution for you guys to make your life easier. I burn off the edge using a match and shape it in a way to fit through the wood beads. I'll repeat it until it becomes stiff. And now, I'll be able to pass the yarn through the wood beads. I've made made 6 more tassels in white, cream, and brown for this project. I'm using a piece of wood that I've colored red to hang my tassels. The color, shape, and size of the wood, it's all up to you. I've also purchased crafting beads from Michaels for only $5 to give some color to my project. And I added my beads to the tassels to make them more fun. Here I'm tying a knot around the wood piece to finally hang my tassels. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any questions by commenting below, and thank you so much for watching.